How to turn off activity status on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and under the How Others Can Interact with You tab. You will see the option for messages and story replies. Tap on that and then tap on the Show Activity Status option you see there, and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Show Activity Status, and with this, no one will be able to see if you're online or not, which also means that you will not be able to see if anyone's online or not either. So, this is how you can turn off active online status on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.